Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So I'm Nora. I'm the co-CEO, co-founder, and CTO of Nurami Medical, a soft tissue repair company based in Haifa, in Israel. I'm very happy to be here today and to share with you our story that started back in 2014, based on a need that was raised by a neurosurgeon who told us, I don't have hemostasis problem, but I do worry about cerebrospinal fluid leakages. So confirming the need with additional neurosurgeons, we set out to harness the potential of nanofibers and novel biomaterials to boost patient recovery and eventually to provide some peace of mind to surgeons. Let me please start by sharing with you our latest exciting news. Artifascia, our first product, has recently been cleared by the FDA, and we are now launching the product in the States. It's a fully reimbursed product that targets the $1 billion dura repair market, and it intends to seal leaks. So leakages following surgery is still considered a major concern, even in today's modern world. And surgeons still report on high leakage rate in most of the cases. And the reason, this is not only actually devastating for them, but also for patients. And the reason behind these frequent leaks is simple. In order to provide effective healing to the wound, there's a need to provide two contradictory processes. On one hand, you need a porous implant that can support regeneration, but can also seal out and prevent leaks. And there's currently two types of products in the market: those sealing products that can seal but limit regeneration, versus porous implants that can promote regeneration but cannot prevent leakages. So currently, there's no comprehensive solution in the market that can meet the surgeon's requirements. And this is why, together with surgeons, we have realized that the magic is in the combination. And we developed a new soft tissue grafts based on, that can provide multiple functions in a single device, and that are based on two building blocks, okay? So we leverage the advantage of customized nanofibers that we specifically engineer in order to meet and to mimic the natural environment of cells to lead to better healing of the wound. And we combine them with novel formulation of biomaterials to intentionally expand the functionality of the product to meet and address the tissue needs. So cerebrospinal fluid leaks is one example of post-operative leakages, and they are still considered a major complication that not only compromise the patient health, but also adds incremental costs to medical centers, of course, due to extended stays in hospitals, to the high cost of treatments, and to revision surgeries. And if we look at the 870,000 procedures done annually, so we are pointing out on a significant burden to healthcare system. The current treatment methods used to repair the dura are outdated. For decades, surgeons has used autologous fascia in order to try and seal the wounds in the dura. This is a time-consuming process that creates donor site. In the year 2000, the first reconstituted animal-derived collagen patches were introduced to the market in an attempt to provide off-the-shelf, fast solution, but very soon, surgeons discovered that they cannot provide the water tightness that is required, and this is why they started to combine them with liquid sealant, which of course add additional step and additional cost to the procedure. This industry has not seen innovation in a decade. So harnessing the potential of nanofibers, we are introducing now Artifascia. Artifascia is the first and only product available in the market that can provide both watertight closure of the wound and can provide effective regeneration of the dura. It has a novel and unique multi-layer structure that includes two external layers of nanofibers that promotes the cell ingrowth and thus provide better healing of the wound, and an internal barrier layer that is activated when the patch is implanted into the body in order to prevent the leakages. So Artifascia, with its unique nanofiber structure that mimic the natural environment of dura, was able to provide complete regeneration of the wound within 30 days, faster than the currently used conventional collagen patches, which have random structure. And furthermore, we were able to prove in our clinical study that was performed here in Europe that Artifascia had 0 cases of leakages when implanted in 58 patients versus 3.7% leakages in the control group. So the 2-in-1 special design of Artifascia, which integrates the sealing layer and eliminate the need to use liquid sealant, actually make the whole value chain happy. Make happy surgeons with less leakages, happy patients, and eventually offer direct and indirect cost saving to the medical center. We are bringing to this market the real change in a decade. And here I want to share with you some feedback that we recently received from the stakeholders. My colleagues just came back from the CNS, which is one of the largest neurosurgery meeting in the US. And the responses for Artifascia were far beyond our expectation. And here I will cite an executive of one of the leading companies saying that Nurami created a tsunami in the dura repair market, and a big distributor saying that we are the hottest technology in the whole. So these feedback reinforce our confidence that we will be able to disrupt this market and that our products are well-positioned and highly differentiated than the currently used conventional patches that can disrupt the $17 billion soft tissue repair market, starting from the neurosurgery market. We are now launching Artifascia in the US, starting from 4 different clinical sites in 4 different geographies. We aim actually to collect quality data and to build the reputation of the product in order to be able to go to the next stage of the expanding of the commercialization. We are introducing additional products to the market. And here I would like to mention our second product in pipeline, Artifix, which is a new category of sutureless patch that can be fixed to tissues without the need to use any sutures. We plan to gain a sizable market share by 2028. And using nanofibers and biomaterials biodegradable products have a big impact, and we can see this in the recent deals in the market. We are actually discussing our product with multiple stakeholders and strategics. To date, we were able to raise $15 million, 10 in equity, and $5 million in grants, leveraging Nurami and leading its concept, its product from the concept stage to the market, leveraging the money efficiently in less than 10 years. We are also supported by an impressive top-class advisors who serve also as champions in our targeted launch now. And we are now raising $15 million to expand the commercialization, to scale up our production, and to take our pipeline product a step forward. And this is why we invite you to join us in this exciting time and to help us spread our technology to the world and to help millions of patients. Thank you very much.